yourself. Just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you. You don't even notice. Should've told you straight away. You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know.
Ossilee, hey, is it Ossilee or Ossilee? Pardon me if I don't pronounce it well. Hey, gorgeous, the hair we'll be revealing today is from Ossilee hair. Guys, you need to see this hair. If it's your first time here, gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in. Let me start with that. Guys, this hair is unique. It came with all these goodies you're seeing, and it's 28 inches. This wig is grade A hair. Guys, you see this unit? It is bomb. When I mean bomb, it is bomb. Just look at that hairline. Look at that hairline. It came already plucked and it's so beautiful. The density is 250 density. Look at how flawless it is as I'm combing through it. Okay. Ooh, the hair is straight and it's 13 by 6 lace wig. Just look at the hairline. Look at it. It is mwah. Oh, you need to touch this hair to feel the way I am feeling. Okay. That's the construction of the inside. Came with combs. There is a lace at the back. Ooh, if you want to pack this hair ponytail, girl, you are good to go. If you want to do braids, if you want to do dread, if you want to do whatever you want to do, girl, you are good to go. If you can even do knotless with this wig, I'm telling you, just look at the hair. So soft and it's so full. The fullness of this hair, I will tell you guys that since I'll be revealing wigs, I've never seen any wig that is as full as this. Sorry guys, as this. Believe me, the hair is so full. And you see the lace is almost full lace. You see that you can just do your braids easily. You can do knotless, like I said. Whatever you want to do with this hair, even if you want to pack it ponytail, oh girl, you are good to go. If you want to do side parts, whatever you just want to do, this hair is the best. Talk about the texture of the hair. It is mwah, believe me. So guys, in case if you're interested in getting this hair, all details will be on the description box. Everything about this wig will be on the description box, so don't hesitate to check it out. So installing this wig, I thought of doing braids on it, right? So I said, okay, let me do it on my head. But I found out that if I do it on my head, it's not going to give me what I want. So I decided to put it on my mannequin head. Then I'm just going to braid this hair. I'm going to do some little weaving. How do they call it? Is it weaving or braids? Whatever you want to call it. Putting it on my mannequin head make it easier for me. It makes it easier. Okay, so I just want to braid this hair. But if you don't know how to do braids, you can just go with the flow. Whatever flow you want, just go with your own flow. Okay, watch what I did.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This very finger for people like them. Oh no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger. All willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer. All busy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling.
So guys, now we are back. Look at what I did. Just look at the hair. Oh, it is. You need to buy this hair to touch it, to feel it, for you to know what I'm talking about. I'm not just joking. This hair is bomb. Like I said, since I've been revealing hair, I've never seen a hair that has this kind of fullness, this kind of flawless. In short, everything about this wig is perfect. So I cut the excess lace from it. It was easy for me as I did it on my mannequin head. So I just placed it on my head, cutting off the excess lace, then glue it down.
Oh, you look.
See, I used styling gel. I did not even use hair glue. I did not use spray. Okay, just styling gel, and you will see how this hair look flawless. The hairline, the melt alone, it looks like my hair. Okay, so guys, like I said, I'm going to leave all details on the description box. If you're interested, check that out. I'm telling you guys the truth about this hair. You need to lay your hands on it to understand what I am talking about. All right guys, if you love it here, before you go, why not hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. With all that being said, I will see you guys in my next one very soon. Mwah.
Solo un rayo del sol cambia el tiempo en el reloj. Hoy mis deudas reciben perdón. Pago por el show. Me siento feliz porque si no soy yo, pues quién. Todos caen a mi lado. El freno lo arranqué. Me siento feliz porque yo no dudo mi power. Te burlaste de mí, se acabó. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Nada me rompe, no, nada me rompe. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan y Marte me espera mientras rodea. Nada me rompe, no, nada me rompe. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Traigo un fin y después fumo un cabo del cigarette. Me pierdo en la ciudad, ha llegado mi tiempo ya. Voy a vivir porque si no soy yo, pues quién. Todos caen a mi lado, los frenos los arranqué. Me siento feliz porque vivo mi vida centrado. Te burlaste de mí, se acabó. Trata de festejar, celebramos el
que corra más. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Trata de festejar.